Hello, Darren Martindale here, Master Magic University, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show a resource for magicians, and it's called ConjuringArchive.com, and I'll leave the link in the description. I was looking up some material from Ron Fair. Ron Fair was Ron Ferris was Las Vegas magician, good friends with Alan Ackerman. He's the creator of Rollover Aces that's been used by Derek Dingle and Mike Lamar. And this is 54 entries from Ron Ferris, and this is just an example of how powerful this Conjuring archive is. Helps you find all the magic in print, especially in books. If you love magic books, it helps you find really awesome magic effects as you research for new material. So please like and subscribe to this video, and click on the link if you'd like to get my free Master Magic course, and I will give you tons of free magic video tutorials and much more. So click on the link, and thank you very much.